I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox Delta. First, you'll need to acquire the Delta executor from its official, verified website to ensure authenticity and safety. Before installation, it's often necessary to temporarily disable your antivirus software, as these tools can sometimes flag executors incorrectly. Once downloaded, run the installer, carefully following each step provided. After Delta is successfully installed, launch your Roblox game, and then use Delta's interface to inject it into the running game process. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth experience. Once Delta is injected, you'll encounter its user-friendly interface, typically divided into three primary sections. The script editor is where you'll spend most of your time, either crafting new Lua scripts or pasting existing ones. Next, the Executor tab is your command center. Here, with a simple click, you can execute the scripts you've prepared. Finally, the Settings menu offers extensive customization options, allowing you to tailor Delta's appearance, hotkeys, and various operational parameters to suit your personal preferences and workflow, enhancing your overall experience. To begin scripting, you can either load a pre-written script file directly into Delta's editor or simply paste your Lua code there. It's vital to ensure that any script you use is up-to-date and compatible with the current Roblox game version to avoid issues. Once your script is ready, locate and click the prominent Execute button within the Executor tab. After execution, always keep an eye on the output window. This area provides crucial feedback, including any errors or messages generated by your script, helping you troubleshoot effectively and understand its performance. For a safe and effective experience, always prioritize downloading scripts exclusively from highly reputable and verified sources to minimize security risks. It's crucial to remain aware of the inherent risks involved with using any third-party executor, as they operate outside of Roblox's official guidelines. To maintain optimal performance and benefit from the latest security enhancements, make sure to regularly update Delta to its newest version. Should you encounter any difficulties, engaging with online communities and forums can provide invaluable assistance, offering solutions to common problems and fostering a supportive environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.